drop fade tutorial. Start those lines off. With my tutorials, I'm not going to do too much talking. I'm going to just throw a little tip here and there. Pay attention. I'm a firm believer if you watch something numerous of times, eventually you'll start to understand the concept of what you need to do. So just pay close attention, and I'm going to throw little tips here and there just to help you out. Pay attention. By now you should know to start your first line anytime you're doing the fade. Then you proceed to start your second and third line if needed. So just take it each step at a time. It's not a rush. Stay patient and stay focused on what you're doing. Don't be paying attention to everything else that's going around and being distracted and looking at everybody else cut. Just focus on the cut that you're doing and make sure you give your client the best service as possible. That's the biggest thing. Make sure your client is getting the best cut that they possibly can get from you. Pay attention. As you can see, I put that first line in and I'm pretty much getting it out. Stay focused. Make sure when you're doing the fade to not leave so much bulk left amongst your lines. Make sure you comb the hair in the direction that the hair grows and focus on fading in the direction that the hair grows. Don't try to work against the natural grain of how it grows. Try to make your job a little easier and work with how the hair grows. Make sure you got everything pretty clean and bald around the sides. Once you get your fade in, focus on starting on your lines. And if you're not sure how to do a tape up, I have a tape up / lineup. I have a lineup video So you could go and check out how to do a lineup video by FadeMasterLos, which is me. That's clear as day. Get that thing sharp. Go check out that video, how to do a lineup, FadeMasterLos. Razor work. Hit him with that razor work. And once you're finished, your product should look something like this. Excellent service, good client protection, making sure you don't have all that hair up on your client, and making sure you leave them feeling satisfied. And there you have it, FadeMasterLos. Do me a favor right now and click that subscribe button, click that like, and also share it to all your friends, because that's the best thing to do. And we're gone. Stay positive, FadeMasterLos.